Hello, this is our tutorial for the fluency passages that will be sent home once a week. The student's responsibility is to read this fluency passage to a family member, guardian, sibling, or anyone who's available. The responsibility of the party who is listening to the student read is to please time the student for 1 minute. Preferably do not allow the student to see the timer or point it facing you. That way they don't get distracted and worry about the time instead of worrying about reading. Remind them it's not a race. This is just to see how much they improve on reading this passage throughout the week. I ask you to please, even if the timer ends and they barely read to, let's say, clean, please allow them to keep reading until they finish the passage. But please make a mental note that this is where they finished, because when they're finished reading this, you need to please put a line here to mark where they ended. And then you'll do the same thing for the next day and the next day. And the goal is to get to the very end by the end of the week within the minute time frame. Don't worry about this rubric here. We're not even going to worry about that. I'm not even worried about this on this side. Just have them read to you, please. Also, if they struggle on the word, please don't make it a teaching moment. Again, it's just for them to work on reading. If they struggle on it, you may assist them by telling them the word. But please, if you do tell them the word, put a T next to the word. If they were struggling with workers, and it's eating up a lot of time, tell them. Make sure they can try it out. If it's taking too much time, tell them workers, but put a T next to it so that I can see, okay, they struggle with this word, and I can see the patterns of where they're struggling. All right, thank you so much. Appreciate it.